Hello, this is how to solve a 3x3. Okay, so the same algorithms you need to know as in the 2x2 video. So if you know these algorithms, you will be fine. If we hit 10 subscribers, then I will do my cubing collection. So first thing you need to do is scramble it. You can scramble it as much as you'd like. And you should be about done. Okay, so next what you do is you find the yellow center, and you want to have the white sides all around it. So if I look over here, there's two right here. So if I simply just turn this like this, and then I turn this in this middle, and I turn it up, and then there will be two. Sorry if you can hear any background noise. So now there's one right here, but if I turn it up, it'll just mess up that one. So what I want to do is turn it over here like this, turn it up. Next, you need to do is find the last one, which is down here for me. But if I turn it all the way up, it will mess up that one. So what I want to do is make sure it's not. So it's right here, and then if I turn it like this, then you will have kind of like this, like a cross, but without the center on. Now what you need to do is find the white, and then find any side. I chose blue, and then I just simply turn. Wait, you can turn it like this. The middles, until you get right here, and then you turn it down once, down twice until it's on the bottom. Turn it like this. It's up here. Turn it once, turn it twice till it's down here. Next, you need to find the other one. I'll just do the orange. You turn it. So for me, if I turn it this way, it's not going to turn. If I turn it this way, it's right. So I do it again. Turn it once. Turn it twice. Then now I find another one. So this is the white, and then there's green right here. Then I turn it once. Then I turn it again. Then I do the same thing. Down, and then down. So now there's three on the bottom, and they're all matching. Now I go to the last one, turn it once, and then I just go down and then down. Then I will have the whole, you don't have to have this like this, kind of like a fish. You don't have to have the whole side solved yet. You can, so if there is one up right on the top layer, you find the one next to it. Sorry, my family is screaming, I think. I don't know, it's probably just noises. And then I see the blue piece, turn it over, then I go up. So you turn it up, over, back down. And then I find this again. I turn it over here, see how it's matching right there. It's matching. And it's right here. You go up, over, back down. And then see it's right here, and you have like this part. Now, if you have one on the bottom, what you do, you go up, over, back down. You go up, over twice, and then you turn it until, so it's right here, and there's got to be none under it. So if I have it like this, it's not going to work. I need to have it like this. And then I have it like this. So now you go and you turn it. So you turn it up, over once, over twice, back down. So now you turn it over until it's matching. So it's right here, and then you turn it over until it's matching. Then you go up, over, back down. And then the last one, again, it's on top. So you go up, over, back down. So now I match it up like this, turn it over here, go up, over, back down. And then I will have you'll have the white side solved and the layer solved. So now what you need to do is find any top, like this, any top that's not yellow. You find this, and you've got to make sure that there's no yellow right here. So I got green, and then if it's yellow like this, like, oh, orange. Can't do that because there's yellow right there. There's yellow on any side, then you can't do it. So if you have it like this, green's on top, orange is on the side, you turn it over until it matches with the green. And since the green's on this side, you turn this over once. Then you do your move, up, over, back down. Then you match it up again, you match it up with this, how they're like matching right over here. You go up, over, back down. And then you'll have these sides matching. So the next thing you want to do is find another one. So this is matching, blue's over here, so I want to go over, up, then over again, and then back down. If you need to know notation in this video, I probably should have mentioned that earlier. You can learn that in my 2x2 video, if you haven't already, if this has been confusing. And if you look on top and there's all the white space are covered and you can't do it, there's like this, there's no, and then, there's a red right here, but no, you do this. Face any side, like I'll just do this side. Over, up, over, back down. Then you match it up again, right here, up, over, back down. And then you will have one like this, turn it to its spot. So it's up here, and it's over here, and the red side's over here, so it's top here. You go over, up, over, back down. And then you just do the same thing again, up, over, back down. So now you find another one, and again, I do not have a single thing, I don't have one, so I'm just gonna go over, up, back down, like this. So now I find another one, there's no yellow right here, so I can match it up. Let me do something real quick. Okay, I had to do something. Okay, so now there's the red on top, so then there's red on this side. So now you need to go over, up, over, back down. Okay, so then you match it up again, match it up, the white's right over here, you go up, over, back down. And then you will have, after a while, if you can keep doing it, you will have the layers solved, the two layers solved and then the bottom. So now what you need to do, you can have different scenarios for this, but you can just do your first algorithm as much as you like, and then so whenever you're done, whenever you feel like you're good, you want to check out for, there's an edge right here and there's an edge over here. So you need to do this algorithm. F, like this, F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. And then you will have the white yellow cross, and this is good because so pretend like this isn't there. If you have this, you can just find any one with a square right here. Any one kind, you just go, and then you just do an algorithm I'm about to show you. But if you do have this, you do this algorithm. You want to hold it so it's facing down like this. Here you go. R, U, R prime, U, R, U, 2, R prime. And then you will have the same fish so you want it to be a yellow spot right there. And you go, use the same algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U, 2, R prime. Then you'll have the yellow layer solved. And now what you want to find is you want to find any side that's matching. So like this, and then you do a new algorithm. I think I'm going to turn something back on real quick. Okay, that's better. You can see the lighting's better. So you go L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime, R, U, R prime, U, R, U, 2, R prime. And about that algorithm, the first half is its own algorithm, and then the next one is one we've already learned. So now what you need to do, if you find one like this, so it's like this, if you find two like this, you want to match it up with its thing. So you want to go like this. So it looks like this, and then you do the algorithm again. pointing this to the right. No, left, that's left. L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime, R, U, R prime, U, R, U, 2, R prime. And then you will have this whole thing solved. Then you won't have, and you won't have the whole cube solved. You have it like this, or they're all like this. Now you just need to mesh up the edge. So what you do, you go to any side, and you're going to learn a new algorithm. F2, U, L, R prime, F2, L, R, this is L prime, so L prime, R, then it goes R, and then you go U, then you go F2. Then you'll have one side solved. What you want to do, you want to hold it in the very back, so it's right here. You want to go on the very opposite side, so now you do your algorithm again. Sometimes if it's over here, then you're good, but if it's not, you'll have to do it twice, this algorithm twice. F2, U, L prime, R, this is L, R prime, F2, L, R, this is L prime, and then U, F2, and then you will have your cube solved. I will do the algorithms you need to learn one more time. So the first one is F, which F is like this, turning the front layer. F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. I'm just gonna do that real quick again, so I can fix it again. Now you do this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U, 2, R prime. I'm just gonna do that again. And get the cube fixed again. So now you do the last algorithm. L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R, R prime, R, U, R prime, U, R, U, 2, R prime. And now I'll just fix it again with the algorithm. And that is how you solve it. So if we hit 10 subscribers, then I will show my cube collection. And if you want more slow-mo solves, then hit the like button. And that is it. Signing out from Jude 3 Cardinal. Bye.